Kasi isa yun sa mga bagay na na-inspire ako. Sa mga stories nila, alam mo yung bigyan nila ako ng tiwala na mag-share sila sa akin. At siguro, dahil sa mga stories nila, mas napupush ako to do better. At siguro, mas naiintindihan ko din talaga sila kung sino sila. Parang mas lumalalang dun yung, yung friendship namin. Di ba siguro friendship, yung family namin. At sa gusto kong kalimutan, parang wala namang gusto kong kalimutan. Kasi lahat ng bagay na nangyari sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya, meant to be talaga. At para sa akin, hindi na pwedeng palitan yun eh. Like, kailangan na lang mag-move on at gawin kung ano yung mga dapat gawin sa mga darating na opportunities. Yun know.
Thank you, Vince. Sige, Josh, ikaw naman.
For me, siguro din, daming nangyari sa loob na hindi ko talaga makakalimutan. Sobrang memorable. Everything, all of it. But siguro one particular thing talaga na naalala ko when I was team leader, task leader with Cyril, pati si Tony. Hindi ko makalimutan yun kasi that was the first time na twice in a row kami nanalo. And I don't know, it was just such a good feeling na nanalo kami two weeks in a row. So may budget kami, weekly budget, for 2 weeks straight. So we had food, so it was good, you know. It was a good time. May pagkain kami sa bahay at hindi kami nagutom. Kaya na-enjoy ko. And I was so happy kasi it was a fun task. Nag-isip pa kami na sobrang aga para mag-shoot para kay Tony. I still remember that. That was such a first letter. Kaya sobrang memorable talaga sa akin man. And siguro makakalimutan. Ano,
gusto mong makalimutan?
Ay, sabi mo sino? Ay, gusto kong makalimutan. Hindi. Mali. Gusto kong makalimutan. Gusto kong makalimutan.
Anong moment sa journey mo sa PBB ang pwede, ayaw mo na lang maalala o gusto mo makalimutan?
Yung pag-alis ko po sa bahay ni Kuya, gusto kong makalimutan niyo. Kasi hanggang ngayon, hindi ko po kaya panoorin eh. Iyak po ako eh. And that's really hard for me. And yeah, I think that's one of the biggest things. And that's why I didn't rewatch anything. Because I didn't want to break what we have. Kaya, siguro yun, pati yung sopa situation.
Gusto kong alahanin ko talaga.
Buddies na kami mag-alala. So yeah, that's that.
Thank you, Josh. Okay, sige. Ngayon, let's ask Michael naman.
Yeah,
go ahead.
That's a really good question po. Something I want to remember and forget. Simulan ko na sa gusto ko makalimutan. I think all the housemates could agree that we would forget about the nominations. Kasi yung nominations is something that we have to, you know, find a way na medyo negative about one another. And siguro yung mga araw na nag-nominate kami, yun yung pinakamabigat sa bahay ni Kuya. Ramdam namin yung bigat. It's not, it's a different type of sadness. Kasi doon namin nalalaman na konti-konti malalagay sa itong pamilya na to. And we don't want that to happen. And as much as we could, we really tried to find ways to maintain what we had, di ba? So, yung memories na yun, siguro automatic. I don't want to remember that na kung ano man yung mga rason nila, forget about it kasi what's important is a family that we built. Something I would always remember, and I always say this sa mga interviews ko, was the moment I was a task leader with River. May ginawa po kasi kaming task, Tower of Love. And sa task po kasi na yun, yung kapuso magkasama po kami at yung mga kapamilya magkasama. And doon ko naramdaman yung power of collaboration. Kasi ito yung moment na as a kapuso we united to focus on our side, the kapamilya did their thing. But once when we were together in the middle to complete our task, we were all working cohesively. Iba yung parang walang differences, kumbaga. And doon ko nakita na, shucks, ang solid ng tong pamilya na to. And it's so cool lang because we're all part of the same industry. Lahat kami mga artista, lahat kami pumunta dito sa bahay para supportahan din ang isa't isa. At nung nakumpleto kasi namin yung task na yun, it was a matter of minutes lang. That was so unexpected kasi almost impossible siya at first. Ang tuwa namin kasi yung talon ng lahat, it was still in my memory na parang movie na ang saya, talon kami ng talon. We did a task that was so hard. And at the time kasi, sa bahay ni Kuya, medyo down kami nun. Talo lagi kami sa weekly tasks. Eh, gutom na kami eh. So gusto na namin manalo. Kaya nung nanalo kami, siguro din kaya kami, we were jumping for joy. And that's something I will remember because it was a memory, not just me as a task leader, not me and River. It was a successful task as a whole family.